Hey, good afternoon. This is T. Evans with MarineMax. Today I'm showing you a fresh trade I just took in. It's a Hurricane Sun Deck 2486, 24-foot boat, tandem axle, aluminum I-beam, trailer included. This bad boy does have a Yamaha 300 on the back of it. Absolute incredible boat, tons of space inside. This is one of the first ones I've ever taken in on trade. Gel coat, it looks remarkable. There's no scratches, no dings, no really cuts or anything. Walking around and showing you here. A couple of scuff marks on the side right there, but that'll come off once we get it cleaned up. Walk around again, show you the exterior of the boat. Bottom looks good. Climb aboard and show you the inside. This boat is got a ton of room inside of it. Nice little jump seats off the back here if you're out swimming. Stereo control in the back. Nice walk-through transom. Good seating on the port side. Captain's chair on the port side. Starboard, you got a same kind of bench seat. Captain's chair. Nice stereo, Bluetooth, Yamaha digital gauges. It's got the Garmin Echo Map SV9 in it. Got a pump out head, little sink, little storage compartment there. Walk up front's a massive amount of area to sit. I don't know if you can really tell by the video, but I mean 4 people on each side easily. Nice walk through bow there, get up on the front deck for the kids jumping on and off. Got a ladder up front. Nice boat, just needs a little clean. We'll get it cleaned up real nice and get it serviced and get it ready to go. This boat's located here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Walk around again, show you nice in-floor storage. Nice boat, clean, ready for the water. Give us a call, 864-236-9005. Again, MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Have a great day.